Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Happy Louis Vuitton Day guys, and you know what that means. For today's episode, I'm going to share to you up and coming Louis Vuitton bags. Yes, you know our practice here. I will be putting everything that you need to know from prices, product codes, product features, and launch dates. All you need to do is just kindly ready your phone to take a screenshot and for your personal reference, and for pre-orders, kindly check with your CAs or the website. So I'm inviting you all to please watch until the end of our episode, and happy shopping! Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls, and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach my 4,000 to 5,000 subbies this year. I would really appreciate it. And kindly like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Damier52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Hi guys, thank you for watching today's episode. Just a quick shout out for today's sponsors. Guys, you can now custom order your Zumoni bag organizers, bag accessories such as pouches, dust bags, and many more. And best part is you can now get 20% discount using my discount or coupon code Ramiro5. What I love having a Zumoni bag organizer is I customize to the way I like it. I chose a base material, collar, I added interior pocket, zipper, D-ring, and I added a base shaper to keep the structure of my luxury bags. Head on over now guys to Zumoni.com and order and customize your very own bag accessories. Thank you to Zumoni.com for sponsoring this part of this video, and now back to our vlog. Thank you guys! Alright guys, so now as promised, we have the prices for the Fall-Winter Pharrell x NIGO collection. First, we have the cell phone bag charm. Price of this one is 3,000 USD. Material is brass, so this is a bag charm keychain that resembles a Motorola flip phone. Can you still remember that phone, guys, when the mobile phone started? So this is how it looks like close up, but would you pay 3,000 USD for this? And then we have trunks. So first, we have the Courier Limousine 110. Price is 300,000 euros. So guys, this is a collaboration of Louis Vuitton with artist Azuma Makoto. It's a Japanese artist collaboration. So this one contains real flowers preserved, and it is entitled Whispers of Spring. Next, we have Courier Limousine 110. Price of this one is a lot more expensive at 400,000 euros. Same Japanese artist collaboration, Azuma Makoto. So it contains real flowers that is preserved, and this one, the title of this one is Layers of Life. Next, another Courier Limousine. This one is the most expensive one at 500,000 euro. It is a collaboration with the Japanese artist Azuma Makoto. So this one contains the same thing with the other two, real flowers that are preserved, and the title of this one is One of One Sakura. So what do you think of this one, guys? Kindly comment down below. Then we have Origami Keepall size 50. Price of this one is 12,000 euro. Material is monogram canvas with origami fold pattern. As we could see here, it would come with detachable monogram canvas strap, bag tag, key clochette, padlock, and keys, and it would come with the lobster bag tag. But then again guys, the bag charm can be purchased separately, I guess. Then we have an onigiri bag. So price of this one is 2,100 euros. So if you've been to Japan, then you would know what an onigiri is. So it is like a rice molded into a shape of a triangle like this. So this is made of the mayabin canvas with cowhide leather trims. It would come with top handle and detachable crossbody strap. Then we have my personal favorite. I love gyoza. So we have a gyoza bag. Price of this one is 1,900 euro. Same material, the mayabin canvas with cowhide leather trim that is shaped like a gyoza. So this one would come with a detachable strap that you could wear as a crossbody, and it comes with gold hardware as well. Next, guys, so I guess this one is going to be another hot item soon. We have the gyoza pochette class. Price of this one is 600 euros. So this is how it looks like when worn on a bag. Material is leather. It is shaped like the food gyoza. So this is how it looks like, front view and top view, and what the interior looks like as well. Then we have the skateboard. So this one price is 10,000 euro. So this is a skateboard with real flower preserved design, and it would be only produced 10 pieces worldwide. So I believe, if I'm not mistaken, the base of this one is made of acrylic, and this would also be a collaboration of the Japanese artist that we have discussed with the trunks. Then we have the squeeze trunk. Price of this one is 40,000 euros. So material is croc leather with cowhide leather trims. It comes with gold hardware. It is a top handle design bag, and it would come with detachable leather strap. So this is what the bag looks like. Actually, it is gorgeous. Unfortunately, I don't like crushing the bag because I feel with the price of this one, I need to preserve the structure of the bag. Then guys, I would just like to discuss this one, Speedy 18. Unfortunately, this is not going to be reproduced, and it is not going to be for sale. This is just meant for the runway only, but how amazing it would be if, for example, they're going to produce this one in limited quantity. So guys, would you purchase a Speedy 18 made of gold chain? Kindly comment down below. Next, we have the trail backpack. Price of this one is 10,000 euro. Material is the camouflage leather. Color is Sakura. So this is the close-up of the camouflage leather. So it is an interweaving of the leather. Maybe that is the reason why the price is expensive at 10,000 euro. I do love the color though. I love the color Sakura. Next, we have the cube monogram trunk. Price is the same, 10,000 euro. Wow. So material is monogram canvas, as we could see here. It would come with leather strips as well. This one, as you can see, comes with gold hardware, S-lock for closure, and it would come with fully detachable chain strap. Next, we have lobster bag. So price of this one is 5,000 euro. Material is monogram canvas with cowhide leather trims. It would come with detachable vachetta top handle, and it would have gold hardware as well. So guys, given a chance, would you purchase a lobster bag? So Louis Vuitton is releasing a lot of these kinds of quirky bags. How do you feel about them? Kindly comment down below. Then let us discuss the Dame Ebene pieces that walk the runway. First, we have the Christopher backpack. Guys, for the prices of these ones, kindly stand by. Once I have them, I will be sharing them to you. Next, we have another squeeze trunk. So this one material is the Dame Ebene canvas. I believe this is, if I'm not mistaken, this could be the softer version of the Dame Ebene canvas, or this could be entirely made of soft leather. So kindly stand by for more updates really soon. It would have cowhide leather trims. It would have a top handle, and it would come with gold hardware. Next, we have a messenger bag. So this one material, it would be the same, the Dame Ebene canvas. It would come with cowhide leather trims. It has a detachable but adjustable leather strap. It would come with gold hardware. So this is the front of the bag, guys. It would come with the silhouette of Pharrell and NIGO on the front. So what do you think of the silhouette, guys? How are you liking that so far? Kindly comment down below. This one is really cute. So bring out now, guys, your Speedy 25 in the Dame Ebene canvas, because of course, just put some, bag charms, then chains, then voila, then you would have your very own new Speedy 25 in the Dame Ebene canvas. So I'm guessing that the price of this one would be much expensive than just the classic Dame Ebene canvas Speedy 25. This one is very cute. So mini tote bag. So unfortunately, since this is a mini size, you need to be very mindful of the things that you're going to carry. I'm guessing that this one could be the same size as my Louis Vuitton Petite Sac Plat, or maybe even smaller. It would come with detachable leather strap, as we could see here. Next, we have a top handle trunk. So this one, guys, is a combination of materials. So it would come with the Damier Ebene canvas. It would have like the regular size. It would have like the larger size, as we could see here. It would also have with the classic monogram, and then of course the reverse monogram canvas with the signature NIGO detail, like the wavy part that is very NIGO that he has designed from his previous works. Then we have the top handle trunk. Material is the Damier Ebene canvas with cowhide leather trims. It would come with adjustable and detachable leather strap. It would have gold hardware, and it would come with the lobster claw bag tag. So hopefully the bag tag comes with already with this purchase. Next, guys, my personal favorite. So we have Keepall size 25. I really do love to have a Keepall 25, and this is the very first time, if I'm not mistaken, that they are doing this in the Damier Ebene canvas, because I think the last pattern that they've done in the Damier Ebene, it was made of plastic or PVC, if I'm not mistaken, if I could remember it correctly as well. Next, we have leather hobo bag. So this one, the material is soft leather, colors noir. So this is the quote-unquote quiet luxury style bags of Louis Vuitton. As you can see, it doesn't have any logos at all, except maybe the bag charm that has the LV, but everything on this one I do love. This is a shoulder bag style with gold hardware. And then we have a leather messenger bag. So same material, soft leather goods, colors noir. So this is like a messenger bag or a larger camera bag style. So very minimal logo, as you can see, no visible logos at all. It would come with detachable top handle and detachable crossbody strap. So what do you think of this one? This is very good size for perfect for every day. Then I love this one, Keepall size 30. So it would come with the safe material of soft leather goods in color noir. It would come with gold hardware. So guys, just take note that the smaller backpack, I believe, if I'm not mistaken, that is an added purchase or a separate purchase. But how beautiful this Keepall 30 is. There, did you enjoy our episode for today? If you have stayed until this part of this episode, kindly leave me a shopping bag emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you! Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam by clicking this cute little icon here. So please click on this so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account, that's at Ramir52, for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!